everyone, and today I will be reviewing the LOEWE basket bag. I got this bag in the late spring, early summer, so I've had it for a couple of months now, and I will be sharing everything that I love about it, that I don't love about it. As always, I will be including some mod shots and my thoughts on whether or not I think this bag is still worth purchasing this year. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angela, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. My channel is all about mid-size styling, slower fashion, and all things luxe. So if you like any of those topics, I hope you subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you back for more videos. All right, so here is the bag. This is the LOEWE basket bag in the small size. This bag comes in 3 sizes, and this is the smallest one of them. The next size up would be the medium, which is kind of the classic size. And then you have an even bigger size, which is the large, which is definitely a big beach bag. This bag is in the classic tan color, but it comes in a lot of different colors, varying from neutral to also colorful. Now let me show you some close-ups of the bag. This is the front and the side, and then we have the back of the bag. Now this is the bottom of the bag. And then on the inside, it's just a big open compartment. The leather parts are in this beautiful calfskin leather, and it has contrast stitching. It has very minimal silver hardware, and then there's also silver hardware on the inside of the straps. I'm really happy that they made the bag straps quite thick and wide, so it's very comfortable to wear it on the crick of your arm. It is adjustable to only 2 settings, and I usually have it on the longest setting, and this way I can also wear it as a shoulder bag. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it is quite of a tighter fit if you wear it as a shoulder bag, and I would say it's more of a baguette shoulder style. But since this is a summer bag and you're not really layering with thick sweaters or coats, you can definitely wear this as a shoulder bag. When it comes to this bag, I think the biggest question people have is, do things fall out of this bag since it's a big open compartment without any zippers? And the answer is yes. If you put all your stuff in this bag and it falls over, then all your items will definitely fall out of your bag. Now, you could get a bag organizer for this that has a zipper, or you can do what I did, and this is a free little hack. And how I wear this bag is with the dust bag in it. Now, this dust bag comes with the bag, and I just have it sitting in there. And usually what I do is I put all my items in there, and then I would just pull it close like this and put the little strings on the inside. And this is how I would use it, and it's very secure. It's not that hard to get in and out of the bag, and you don't have to worry that your things will fall out of your bag. Now, I took out the dust bag, and this is what it looks like. This comes with the bag, and it's a very large dust bag, so it does fit a lot of stuff. And what I like about this dust bag is that it has this beautiful herringbone texture, and I personally think it goes really well with the basket bag. But if you have any other dust bags from other brands, or maybe a black one, you can totally use that as well. Moving on to some pros and cons, and the main reason why I got this bag is because I really needed that classic basket bag in my collection. All my other bags are just leather bags, so they don't really offer a lot of texture. And I love how this woven raffia basket bag adds a lot of that texture into my outfits. I know there's also a lot of beautiful basket bags in the mid-luxury market, but honestly, for a designer basket bag, this price is really good. And then in comparison with other designer basket bags, they are way more expensive than this one. They're usually in the thousands, and I wasn't gonna spend that on a raffia bag, so I actually think that this basket bag from LOEWE is at a great price point. Another thing that I really love about this bag is that it is super lightweight. It is, I think, the lightest bag in my collection, and that's obviously because this is made out of raffia. Even with a lot of stuff in this bag, it is still super lightweight, and I love that so much, especially in the summer. Now, I thought long and hard about what size I should go for. For the longest time, I really was set on the medium size. It's also the most classic size, and I thought thought that really was the size that I would go for, but after seeing them in person and trying them on, I really fell in love with the small size. I think it's a lot more versatile as well because you can wear it as a night bag, especially if you're on vacation or for a summer date night, whereas the bigger sizes just really look like beach bags. And I don't know if you can really style it for everyday outfits. I would just use that as a beach bag, but the small size is so versatile. Now this bag also fits a lot. Even though this is the small size, it already fits my essentials and so much more. However, and this is going to be a con, is that I wouldn't recommend stuffing this bag because it is made out of raffia. It is still quite delicate. So the more you will stuff this bag, the more the shape will deform. And you can see that the bottom isn't really structured. It's quite squishable. And when I was doing my research, I did see some reviews of the medium size that even on the sides here, it was kind of like drooping a little bit. So that's also one of the reasons why eventually I ended up going for the small size. Another con is that because this bag is made out of raffia, it does have these little parts that are sticking out, little parts like this. And honestly, I'm very happy that this bag doesn't really have that a lot. I would recommend going to the boutique and really seeing each piece because each piece is handmade. You do want to pick the one that has the least things that stick out. But over time, I would see this coming out more naturally. So keep that in mind, and you will always have that with a raffia or woven basket bag. Another thing about that is that you have to be careful with what you're wearing. Now there was one time where I was wearing a knitted sweater and I was also wearing this bag, and the little loose part got stuck in my sweater and it kind of messed up the threading on my knitted sweater, and I was freaking out because it was a brand new sweater. It was from Cezanne. So I was like, no, it totally ruined my sweater, and thankfully it didn't. I did fix it. Well, my mom fixed it, but it was definitely a lesson that you shouldn't wear this with any delicate clothes like knitwear, or if you have very delicate silk pieces, because there will be some bits sticking out that could damage the garments. But other than that, you can really wear it with anything else. So don't be scared, because I do style this with a lot of my outfits, and trust me, it doesn't damage any of my other outfits, but just be careful with those more delicate pieces. My final thoughts is that I would definitely recommend this bag. If you are looking for a summer basket bag and you don't want to splurge too much on it, I do recommend this one. I think it's very well priced, and I've only had it for a couple of months, but I've already gotten so much wear out of it. It really elevates any type of outfit. And even though I did buy this as a summer bag, but I can honestly wear this in any other season as well because of this small size. Now let me know what you think of the LOEWE basket bag. Do you have it? Do you love it? Or is this something that is on your wish list? Also, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!